Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 CFMOTO ZFORCE 800EX. We've just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit and how it looks. As you're familiar with the RYCO Street Legal kits, this kit does come with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. You can mount those anywhere on the front. You can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. This is a great placement on this machine. You've got good visibility from the front as well as from the side. How does it operate? Just like your car. Down will be left. You do have indicator lights up there on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. There you can see the lights flashing. Of course, what we love about the RYCO kit is it does tie into the stock taillight housing, illuminating all of those bright LEDs in the back, giving you great visibility from the rear. Of course, up will be right. You do have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. And around the back side. Very nice. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. It does have the horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Nice horn there with the CFMOTO. And when you have the headlight switches on, your license plate is going to illuminate as well. It does come with this plate mount and the light to illuminate the plate. Now on the CFMOTO, it does have some holes that are already there on the machine. The plate is too narrow, so you're gonna need to drill additional holes where these two bolts will go. Not a problem, simple to do. 8mm on this side, 10mm on the back. We do have these in stock, ready to ship. The RYCO Street Legal kit comes with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. Now this particular model of CFMOTO already comes with the side mirrors, so you're good to go. Get the Street Legal kit installed. You've already got the mirrors, and there you have it. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll post up a link in the description below where you can go on to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, and purchase the kit online. If you have any questions, give us a call. Have a great day, everybody.